Hello, my name is Julie and welcome to my channel. In this video I am going to show you how to make this cute baby hat. So to start out this, you'll need like a baby weight yarn or fine weight yarn, and I am using a size F hook. Okay, so let's get started on our baby hat. I'm just using some fine weight yarn I had left over, got on clearance. Always use any fine baby yarn. And I am going to, in a magic ring, I'm going to put 12 double crochets. I'll chain 3, which will count. I'll chain 3 and then do 11 more double crochets into this magic ring. And I'll show you what to do next. After I have my 12 double crochets in the ring, that includes the chain 3 at the beginning. Okay, so I have my 12 double crochets and I'm going to pull up on my magic ring. If you don't know how to do a magic ring or not comfortable with a magic ring, you can make a ring of chain 4. So right now I'm going to join up with my chain 3 at the beginning, and I'm going to do another chain 3, and we're going to increase this round by doing 2 double crochets in each stitch. So I'm going to do another double crochet in chain 3 space, or the chain 3 on top of the chain 3, and then I'm going to do 2 double crochets in each stitch for a total of 24 double crochets. So I'm going to finish up this round and meet up with you at the end of the round. Okay, I finished up my 24 double crochets. I'm going to again join up with our chain 3 from the beginning, do another chain 3. In the next stitch, our next double crochet, we're going to do 2 double crochets. We're going to do 1 double crochet in the next stitch. And 2 double crochets in the following stitch. We're going to repeat this pattern all the way around, and I will meet up with you when I'm done with this round. Okay, I've finished up my round, and I'm again going to join up with my chain 3 from the beginning, do another chain 3 to start this round, and I'm going to do a double crochet in the next stitch, and 2 double crochets in the next one. And then again we're going to do 1 double crochet in the next 2 stitches, and then do 2 in the next one. I'm going to repeat this around, and I will meet up with you at the end of this round. Okay, I've finished up my row, and I'm going to slip stitch again with the chain 3 from the beginning. Now we are done with our decreasing. So this is the top of the hat. So we're going to To start this round, we're going to chain 1. We're going to do a single crochet, top of this chain 3, then we're going to chain 3. We're going to skip 2 stitches and single crochet into the next one. Then chain 3. Skip 2 stitches and single crochet in the next one. I'm going to repeat this around and I will join up with you at the end of the round. Okay, I have finished up my round. You should have 16 chain 3 loops, so we're going to end with a chain 3 and slip stitch with the beginning single crochet, then we're going to slip stitch into the chain 3 space, chain 3, which counts as a double crochet, and do 3 more double crochets in this space. And then we're going to chain 1, and then in the chain 3 space we're going to do 4 double crochets, chain 1 and 4 double crochets in the chain 3 space. So I'm going to repeat this around with 4 double crochets, chain 1, and I will meet up with you at the end of the row. Okay, we have finished up. We chained 4 in our final space, and we chained 1, and we are going to slip stitch with the chain 3 at the beginning of the round. We're going to start out by chaining 4, and then we're going to do a single crochet in this chain 1 space. Then we're going to chain 3, single crochet in the chain 1 space, chain 3, and single crochet in the chain 1 space. I'm going to repeat this around and I will meet up with you when I get to the end of the round. Okay, I am toward the end of my round, and so I did my chain 3. I'm going to do a single crochet in the last chain 1 space, and I'm just going to slip stitch with the first chain of that chain 4. Alright, so now what we're going to do now is repeat the row before and the row we just did 3 more times. And I think at this point I am going to change colors, and I'll meet up with you after I finish the previous row and this row we just did 3 more times. Okay, I have finished. You should have 4 groups of chain 4 and the chain 3 spaces, and then I finished up on a chain 3 space. So what we're going to do now is to do I chained 1, I went back and did a single crochet in this first single crochet. Now we're going to just do 4 single crochets in the chain 3 space. And a single crochet in the single crochet. I'm going to finish up this round and I will join up with you when I'm ready to do our final round. I have finished up my round and I've already slip stitched with the first stitch. If you want to finish, don't want to put on this final edging and just leave it as is as a beanie, you can finish off here. But I'm going to show you how to do the final row, which I'm going to point out that this is my favorite edging, and you'll always see this edging on a lot of my projects. So to finish this off, we're going to chain 7, then we're going to count back 4 chains, and then we're going to do a double crochet in the 4th chain from the hook. As soon as I can get my hook in there, here we are. Then we're going to go back and do a double crochet back in the same stitch that we started with. We're going to skip 2. We're going to do a double crochet, chain 3, do a double crochet in the top of the double crochet we just did, and go back and do a double crochet back in the same stitch as the one we just did our first one. And you can see we have that kind of edging going on. To show you this again, we're going to skip 2 stitches. We're going to do a double crochet, chain 3, do a double crochet on top of the chain we just double crochet we just did, and do a double crochet in the same stitch as that first double crochet. There we go. We're going to repeat this around and I will meet up with you when we get to the end. Okay, I have reached the end of my round, and all I'm going to do is slip stitch with the beginning chain 3, and I'm going to end it here. I'm going to cut my yarn and finish off my ends. And here you have it, the end result of this baby hat, and it turned out super cute. I really love this edging. So if you did like this tutorial, please give it a like. And if you want to see other projects like this, please subscribe to my channel. And I want to thank you for watching my tutorial. Bye now.